What's up guys, I'm Steffanina back with another tutorial for you today, and this time I'm teaching you Finesse by Bruno Mars and Cardi. This routine is like a beginner intermediate level. A lot of you have been saying, you know, I'm not a professional dancer, the advanced ones are too tough. This is the routine, this is the song. If you've never danced before, you will still be able to get this combo. It might take you a couple times watching it, but stick with it. It's so much fun, and get your friends doing it too. All right, so the announcement. I'm changing the name of the Dance Tutorials Live Instagram to @EpicDanceVideos. So make sure you guys follow it. If you're already following the channel and you start seeing this page, don't be confused. It's still the same. We're gonna be posting dance content. I'm gonna be reposting your covers, and this is gonna allow us to just grow the page even more so that when I do repost you guys, it gets more views, you get more followers, and it's better for our whole community. Also, use the hashtag #EpicDanceVideos. Now, in the last tutorial I did, which was to Cardi, I filmed it my original style, which is into the mirror. I put the camera behind me, so it's kind of like you're a student in my class. You see me in the mirror, you see me from the back, and then you can learn it that way. The other option, which I'm gonna do today, is I'm gonna film this tutorial straight on, and then I'm gonna mirror the image so that when I say right, it'll still look like the right on your screen. Now, what I want in the comments below is let me know which style you guys like better. Do you like the original one, which is into the mirror, or do you like it facing me? So just comment that below. That would help me so much, because I'm always just trying to make this tutorial channel as good as possible for you guys. We have so many incredible videos coming this year, not just from me, but from some of your favorite dancers, choreographers, teachers. It's gonna be insane. So get ready for 2018, because it's gonna be lit. All right, let's get to the tutorial. Finesse, Bruno Mars, Cardi. Let's go. Let's get right into it. We're gonna mirror this so that when I say right, it's gonna look like the right side of the screen to you. And the first thing we're gonna do is just drive like this. See. So even if you don't know how to drive, everybody can probably make a circle with the right arm. You're gonna drop down like this. Toom, toom, and then you're gonna bring your arms up and come back in together. And she's gonna say, drop, top, push. So it's right on those lyrics. Now, since this is like a beginner intermediate tutorial, if you're new to my style or maybe these videos, it's really important that you get the posture right while you're learning this routine. So normal everyday life, we stand up kind of straight like this. If you take ballet or jazz or maybe ballroom, you're used to like a really high posture. But for hip hop, we have to get this contraction going a little bit. So make sure when you drop down, you don't do this. What you actually want to do is let your body contract. See how I'm rounding my back? Zoom, zoom, and then I come up to here. And even here, I'm not pulled up straight. I'm a little bit hunched over, and it just kind of gives it that style. So as you're learning the moves, also work on your style, your posture, and the way that you're executing the movement. It's really sharp when you come up to here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. You go drop, top, push. Nice. From here, you're gonna step on your right foot, go step, and then you're gonna push as that left knee comes up, step, and then other side. So you're literally just going step, push, push. And I'm pushing my wrist out. So it's kind of like you got like a cool watch. Maybe ladies, you got a little ring. You're like, hey, check out my ring, check out my ring. Nice. Then you're gonna step forward on your right foot. You're gonna go up and up. So I'm saying up, that's your right hand, and then your left goes opposite. So it's click and click. Then I'm gonna go top, top. I think she said something about a chain. To be honest, I never know what Cardi B is saying, so I could be completely wrong, but that's what the choreography is like this. It's like you got a chain on your neck, you like showing it off, like, check out my chain. So at the same time, we're gonna do what's called a kickball change, which just means you're gonna kick your left foot, kick, and then you're gonna go top, top, left, right. Kick, top, top. So if this is too tricky, you can just do the arms, that's fine. But when you put them together, it goes up and up, then you're gonna go kick, ta, da. Then she's gonna laugh, she's gonna go, ha, ha, kind of like that. You're gonna go, ha, ha, and look to the sides. So right, left. And you wanna make it, you'll hear the sound in the music. You wanna make it as if you're actually laughing and making that sound. So try to figure out what that feels like. Then you're gonna clap like this. And then you're gonna go swing, swing with your right arm. Now at the same time, clap, swing, swing. You're gonna do 4 of these. Out, 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 out. And you'll notice a couple things. Posture. So the mistake everybody makes is they stand up and they go like this. Why does it look awkward? Why? Why is it not working? So you have to contract. Remember what we talked about? And then also lean to the left a little bit. So after I go, ba, ba, I'm gonna lean to the left. I'm gonna go clap, and swing, swing. Notice how low this shoulder is. Then I'm gonna step on my right foot. I'm gonna do 3 milli rocks. So it's like 2 fake ones, like, no. And then the third one, yeah. And then you're gonna step on your left and you're gonna go, geet, geet. So from my fellas, if you want to be like super masculine about it, you could be like, ging, ging, and just kind of hit something instead of here. Everyone else, and my ladies, whatever, I'm gonna do it too. It's okay. You're gonna go bop, bop, and the catch on the second one. So it's the beat's gonna go click, click. Your right hand goes geek, geek to the booty. Then you're gonna go right, left, right, left, right, left. Same thing. If you're like, maybe you're at your like family reunion, you don't want to be like twerking quite yet because it's early in the night. You can just make it like, but if you want to be full out, everybody's gonna like it anyway. Just do it. Just twerk, twerk, twerk at the family reunions. Okay. D, D, yeah, D, D, yeah. And then you're gonna do 3 jumps. A, A, A. So I'm literally just bouncing on my toes. And if you want to add your head to this, hair whips get you extra points no matter where you are. Yin, yin, yin. You can snake your head through back to the front. Cool. That's a lot. Let's go from the top slowly. And then remember, you guys can always rewind. That's the great thing about video tutorials. So slow from the top. 6, 7, 8. Drop, top, push. Step, push, up and up, da, da, da. Ha, ha. Clap. 2 and swing, swing. Step, step, throw, and yeah. Right, left, yeah. Left, right, 3 jumps, A. Then you're gonna step forward on your left foot. You're gonna go run, run, run. So starting with my right arm, I'm just running forward. Then I'm gonna go right, left. So if you've taken a dance class, even like an aerobics class, you know this step. It's just a pas de bourrée, but it can be a little tricky the first time you see it. So I'm stepping on my right, and then my left foot comes behind. I'm gonna go left, right, left. Then she's gonna say something about money. I forget the words again. Of course, you're gonna go money, 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 and you're gonna drag that right foot in. So we did jump, 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 run, 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 ta, 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 money, money, money. Then you're gonna jump out, shoot. Then you're gonna go ta, ta with your hands. So really clean, click, 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 down. You're gonna go left, right with your heels, and then you're gonna lift your body up. So this is on these beats in the music, and this is the part that's gonna blow everybody away, especially if you're not like a serious dancer, and you bust this out and you hit ta, 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 ta. People be like, ooh. Then you're gonna step on your right foot, you're gonna go, yeah, to go no, no. So let's do that part one more time. You did money, money, money. First thing is you jump out. Out, in, and then when I go down, I'm gonna tilt my shoulders to the side and I'm looking down at the floor too. So remember posture, contract a little bit. Then I'm going left heel up, right heel up, bring my body up. And notice how my hands are still here. So I just twisted to the side. So it's ta is the jump out, ta, 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 ta. And then you step on your right foot again. Even though it's already there, you're just gonna go, A, and she's gonna say A in the music. A, and she says like, like A. So we're gonna catch that. So you did no and no. You're gonna step back on your right and go A, Then you're gonna go jump, cross, uncross, and you're gonna roll up out of that. So this is a really common like old school hip hop kind of move. So after you do the step back, I'm literally just pointing up and over with my right hand and I give it a little body roll. So I'm lifting my chest to go A, out, cross, and then I'm gonna roll my hands up as I come up to go circle around and circle around. Ugh. So a lot of these moves are really about style. It's not like you have to be exactly the same as me on everything. Just think as you're coming up to go here with your hands. It's like you're making a circle around your head, like, and you're gonna just whoom, slide to the left, and then whoom, slide to the right. And then last part is just a really hype ending. You're gonna kick your right leg 4 times. Kick, 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 and then you're gonna jump onto it. Now, at the same time, we're gonna hop. So each time you kick, you land on your left foot. So it's jump, kick, jump, kick, jump, kick, jump, kick, and then onto your right foot. All your hands are gonna do is go click, click, circle, circle, yeah. And you can vary the hands. You don't even need the hands, honestly. You could just be like, hey, wow, and it's fine. It's super hype. Get everybody. Anytime you jump, people just get excited. I don't know why that is, but jump around, like whip your hair, and people just go crazy. So arms that I'm doing at least are going hit, hit, circle forward, yeah. And that's it. The whole routine, you guys learned it already. And I know you might be thinking, yeah, I learned it, but I don't remember it. That's okay, it's completely normal. It took me a lot of classes, a lot of routines before I was able to just like watch something once or twice and just pick it up. But you will get there. And what we're gonna do now is go from the very top, nice and slow, put the whole thing together, and then I'm gonna do a little faster for you guys so you can get used to the pace before you try it with the music. All right, here we go, from the top. So you got 5, 6, 7, 8, drop, top, push, step, push, up and up, da-da, ha-ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, top, top. Right, left, hey. Left, right, hey. Jump, yeet, 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 and a run, run, run. Step, da, da, da. Money, money, money. Out, got. Left, right, up, hey. No, like a. And jump, cross and cross like a. And A, here we go. Hype, circle, yeah. And freestyle. It's really important if you do bust this out at like anywhere, party, a club, something fun. Don't just do the last move like, yeah, and then be like, what do I do now? You have to pretend like it wasn't a routine, like you just were feeling the music and you just did it. Now, obviously, if you do it with a bunch of friends, people are gonna know some choreography, but then at the end, maybe you guys all come in close together and you're like, hey, you do a little like groove together. Just make it fun. Remember, the best thing about dancing is sharing it with other people. Don't be too hard on yourself. If you wanna get better, just keep practicing every day a little bit. Learn this routine today, and then for the next week, every day, do it 10 times and tape yourself on the last 2. And watch it and be like, okay, I need to get this sharper, I need to do this better, and then come back to it tomorrow. You'll be amazed what you can do in just a couple weeks of training like that. So now, we've gotten to the point in the video where we have to go faster. So I'm gonna go up to the music speed. This way, once you can do this, you know you can take it over to the music and kill it. Ready? We go 5, 6, 7, 8, drop, top, push, step, push, up and up, dee, ha, ha, clap, 2 and 8. And a top, and top, right, left, hey, left, right, hey, jump, and a run, D, money, like click, click, hey, no, like, hey, jump and roll, okay, and hit, yeah, freestyle, and party, and do cool moves, and what? Your trendy moves work better. All right, you guys got the whole thing down. Make sure you click the link below. Try it with the music. Don't forget to find us on Instagram at Epic Dance Videos, hashtag Epic Dance Videos. When you post your covers, stay in touch, subscribe, notifications, turn the bell on, and I will see you guys back in the studio for another one soon. Peace.